Hey guys, we're back at it again with another episode of unboxing. So today we have Que Sera Sera by ILY. I hope you guys are all enjoying the song Que Sera Sera because it dropped a couple days ago. So we visited the showcase of Que Sera Sera a couple days ago as well. So let's pull out the actual album. Ta-da! This is the actual album. Since we visited the actual press conference of the album Que Sera Sera, we have received all the members' signature. So moving on to the back side of the album. Ta-da! It's rather simple actually. It has two of the tracks on top. So let's open up the actual album and see what's inside. Ta-da! We'll get back to the CD later and move on to the little goodies inside. As you can see, there's a group photos. Ooh, there's a photo card and a little poster. Hold up, let's look at these real quick. So the poster has Nayu, and I got Ara's little photo card. That's pretty cute. I like them. So I'm just gonna place them down here, right here. I think that's the lyrics to the song and the information about the song in the bottom.
There's more individual photos. Yep, individual photos, more individual photos. And there's a actually real nice forest-looking group photo in the end. And there's a track list on the bottom if you see them. Can you see them? Yeah. So track list on the bottom as well. And more individual photos. That's really nice, actually. Oh, nice. And it ends with credit on the left. And the back side of the group photo that we've seen previously. Okay, so going back to the actual physical CD on the front part of the album.
The CD actually looks really nice because it reminds me of summer. It's all in blue, white, and kind of sky blue. And the CD has Que Sera Sera, which is the title, the name of the album. And all of the members' names are listed on the bottom of the physical CD. So that's about it for the actual album. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and bye!